Hey guys, what's going on? Joe Paris here, and in this video, we're going to get started creating your course on Udemy. Now, I'm not going to dive into all the specifics because if I were to go into all the specifics of do this, click that, upload here, we could waste literally hours. And I think what's most important is you kind of just get started and you know the basics. Now, if you really want the ins and outs and you're brand new, Udemy has its very own classes to teach you how to upload to it, how to do a description, how to do all this kind of stuff. But what's really important is that you first come to teach.udemy.com, and the easiest way to get started is just to click right here, and you can just title your course right away, and then all you do is you click the course button that says, well, create your course. So let's do an example of Teach Online Course 1. And we can always change this title, but all you do is you click Create the Course. And here we go. So now it says Help Us Help You. Udemy has helped thousands of amazing instructors kind of create amazing courses. Okay, cool. So you get to choose the category. I think it's important that you choose a category. If we're doing teaching, well, they have a teacher trainer category. Cool, let's do that. Number of years, okay. And at any time, you can always exit this survey, but we'll kind of just walk you through it. Which of the following best describes your experience? Okay. Sure, let's do this one. And again, without wasting too much time, let's just kind of move through this. And I would say I'm definitely more of an expert. I definitely have lots of followers. Okay. Put in my website. There we go. Next. Teaching online is a new challenge. That probably will be for most of you. So that's fine. We'll commit and submit there. And it says, great. All right. Then you can check the checklist. You can join Udemy Studio, which is their Facebook group. It's actually not called the Udemy Studio anymore. It's called Studio U. So it's a great place to get additional help. And there'll be a little video on that in the future. So don't worry, we'll get to this. And then if you're more of a newcomer, you can join challenges, and they have a lot of promotion stuff for Twitter fans, and you can go ahead and you can click on that, and you'll see that it opens up a new challenge for newcomers. There's some goodies, some publicity, lots of different challenges, where to submit your test video. So it tells you and shows you how to do that. Enter your Udemy email, and they'll send you an email and show you exactly how to do all of this if you're a brand new person. So I definitely suggest checking this out if you're brand new to teaching online. If you're not, you can just get rid of this. And now here we are. We're on the dashboard here of udemy.com. And the main tab that you really want to know is the curriculum. But first, it gives us the goals. What are the prerequisites to the course? What is your target student? Like, who are you really going after? What are they going to learn? So you just type in here, example A, right? Hit enter, and then it'll go ahead and save it. Same thing will happen here. My student is, and then you can just push enter and it saves it. And you can continue to answer all these questions. The more details that you have, the better. But this is just a very simple way to get started. Now, the curriculum tab, as you click here on the left, is where you're really going to be creating a lot of the course. Start here. You have what we call sections, lectures, and then those are the kind of two main things that you want to know. A section is just a group of lectures. So the very first lecture is just an introduction. And a lecture can be one of the following: a video and slide mashup, or an article. A video is literally just a video. So as I'm creating this video for you, I would just click on the video here, and then I would upload it. A video and slide mashup is what exactly it is as well. A video and a slide together. It is this little mashup thing. I've never used this. I don't know a lot of people that do, but it is available. And then an article is something that you can download. You can type in here, and you could add pictures, and it's something that students will be able to see in your course. And it's something that they get to kind of interact with, but it's not a video. So this is where you can add in text, links, things of that nature, and it's a great resource. So within each lecture as well, if you click this little drop-down arrow, it says add description and add resources. So if you click on add resources, this is where you can add downloadable files, external resources, source code, things of that nature, things added from your library. You can really just kind of add some really cool stuff here. And if you get out of that and you click on the add description, this is where you just kind of give a description of the introduction. So I would say, this is an intro video on our course. And then you save it. Now what would happen is students then would, if they buy the course, would be able to see before watching the video the description of what this is about, so that they can kind of bounce around your course if they want to. Or if they don't, and they haven't bought the course yet, they now can see and they understand, okay, well, this is what this video is about, this is what this one's about. It also helps with the search engine optimization of your course. And again, without going into too many details, this is important for you to take some time, spend some time, and kind of just share with your audience what the different video lectures and everything is about. So to add a lecture, you simply just click this button and just add, click add lecture, and there you go. Added another lecture. Very user-friendly, very simple. If you want to add quizzes, all you do is you type in new quiz, so new one. This is quiz 1, you add the quiz. And from there, all you then do is, if you want to ask questions, you add questions. The only type of question that they allow us to do right now is multiple choice. So you ask a question. So what is this about? And then you could say A, B, and then, like, let's say if it's A or B, okay, it's B. And then you can related lecture. So right now I don't have any lectures that I want them to be related to. So I can just click save. And then that is a quiz question that I just created. Now let's say I have my whole introduction done and I wanted to add another section. All you do is you click add section, you click add the title, and then you just do new section 2. Learning objective would be start the course. Add section. And I'm just really generalizing and going through this. And what you can do is you can move your lectures around. So if I want the new one here, I can move this one down. You can move sections around. So you can move section 2 there. And all you do is click and drag. Very easy to get started. Now let's say you have all your videos and you just want to bulk upload them. They have a new bulk uploader. Well, all you do is you click this button and you can drag and drop your files right into the bulk uploader, because it does take some time to upload to udemy.com. So after that, that's really how you get started. And it's simple as that to create. And what you want to do then is create the videos, upload them to the course, and then after all of that, you want to submit for review. Now again, I'm going through briefly here all the different things, but what you want to do is click and make sure that each one of these 6 has a little check mark next to it. So since I've been a previous creator, it looks like it automatically defaulted and put a promotional video in there. And I think this is because I submitted this a while ago. So what you want to do to get feedback, and a great way to get feedback for your videos, is to do a test video and upload it here. They give you feedback and they share with you, and I can even add my own comments, their thoughts. So that's a really helpful resource as well. But then you want to make sure that everything is checked off. Once it's checked off, you can submit for review. And right now it even says, why can't I submit for review? Well, you don't have enough course goals, curriculum. You have to have at least 30 minutes. You must have at least 5 video lectures. Your content, have content in every video or in every lecture, blah, 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 blah. And without, again, going through too much of this, I think we understand kind of the point in the process. Once you submit it for review, there will be a review process. Udemy will give you feedback, and if everything is good to go, it will automatically be put live on the marketplace. And that's how easy it is to teach on udemy.com. If you want more about this, there are tons of helpful tips along the side. So if you click on your curriculum even too, there are lots of helpful tips that Udemy can share with you. Udemy has its own course on how to teach online and how to go through the new kind of process here, and it's all really pretty user-friendly. So I just wanted to share this with you if you are new, or even if you just wanted to learn a few little quick tips and tricks. Hopefully this video was of value, and I look forward to teaching you guys more coming up. Stay tuned.